Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank. Today, we're talking about Cosmos again. I'll be giving you my 2 cents about where we are in the market, as well as where I think we might be going in the short to near future. Before I do that, if you guys would, do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you guys are unaware, when you subscribe to my channel, you're actually entering a giveaway where you could possibly win yourself an MSI 2060 GPU and or a 50-inch flat screen TV once we hit 1,000 subs here on YouTube. It's that simple. All you need to do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, bada bing, bada boom, you're in. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into the charts. Currently, we're trading Atom for $37.50. We're basically right back where we were when we made yesterday's video. I tried to tell you guys, based on what I was seeing in yesterday's video, to be a little patient, let the market do its thing and tell you what it wants to do. And then I suggested to you guys, because I'm not a financial advisor, but I suggested to you guys to be reactive to what the market tells you it wants to do instead of trying to front run anything. Because again, when you're impatient and you try to front run anything in this game, usually that's when you get wrecked. But again, let me tell you guys why I told you to be a little bit, or at least I suggested, again, I always got to remember to say I suggested to you guys to be a little bit patient. It's because I saw conflicting information coming from Market Cipher A. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. As you guys can see on Market Cipher A, we have 2 triangle patterns in play currently for Atom. We have this ascending triangle pattern, which if you guys don't know, ascending triangle patterns usually have a higher probability of you breaking to the downside than back up. And then we have this descending triangle pattern, which is actually the complete opposite. It's more bullish than anything. The probability of you breaking up is much higher than you breaking back down. I know it sounds backwards. It is actually, but that's the way it is in this game. That's the way these charts work. But yesterday, we showed you guys that when we were right about here in the video yesterday, that the likelihood of us coming down and breaking through this ascending triangle pattern's lower level of support looked very, very high. It looked like we were actually going to be coming in to this descending triangle pattern, which again is more bullish. And I told you guys, since we saw 2 conflicting things happening at that moment, to be patient. And especially since we didn't really have much volume in yesterday's video, I told you guys to be patient because we didn't know where it was going to go with any kind of confidence, guys. We didn't know if it was going to go up. We didn't know if it was going to break back down. We didn't know with confidence where it was going to go. So I told you guys, be patient. Lo and behold, over the past 24 hours, we're right back to where we just basically started. So if you took a position, all you would have been doing is stressing yourself out, especially if it was a long position. Maybe you made a little bit of money if you tried to short things, but you know, was it worth it? I don't think so. With that being said, let me show you guys where we currently are at the moment so we can get a better idea of where we might be going in the next 24 to 40 hours going forward. Now, where we are right now is we are back up in this bearish ascending triangle pattern. Now, I say it's bearish, but it's not all doom and gloom, guys. The reason why I'm saying that is because look at where we are right now within these 2 patterns. Like I said, we came back up. We broke through this descending triangle patterns, upper level of which was once resistance, came back into this ascending triangle pattern, and now we're kind of trying to fight our way to get into the middle of the pattern right now. The likelihood of us coming back down, because with every pump there's a dump or pullback, is high because of that fact alone. So we might actually have a little bit of a pullback and retest this lower level of support on the ascending triangle pattern. If we do, I do think that's going to hold up. And the reason why I'm saying that is because now not only do we have that lower level of support on the ascending triangle pattern, but now we actually have, which was once resistance on the descending triangle pattern at play, testing to see if it actually gets flipped into support as well. So we could come back down and then hit this level of support, and then we could even combine the 2 lines right there and make it a big level of support, which would probably hold up, and we will probably skip on off of it, seeing higher price points throughout the later part of today. Now, I'm not thinking much higher price points, maybe if anything $38. What I would like to see going forward is us just maintain $38. If we can get back to $38 and just kind of coast there for the next couple of days, that would be extremely bullish. Because look, when we zoom out, guys, all in all, we're still in an uptrend. We're still moving upwards ever so slowly. And if we zoom out even further, we're just basically been consolidating in a very bullish fashion, mind you, ever since having, if we zoom out even further, a 400% run up ever since we started this initial push back to the upside. Right now, everything looks very, very good. Everything looks very, very bullish for Cosmos. I think you guys just need to be patient, especially if you're long-term investors. You guys got to remember what Cosmos is doing within the space. It's providing interoperability, and not just Cosmos, but I'm bullish on any project that's trying to do interoperability within the space, because like I said many times before, I do think interoperability is the key to mass adoption, is the key to going mainstream, and is the key to global acceptance with the crypto space, with the blockchain technology, with everything that's going on in this space, guys. I do think interoperability is the key and the gate, guys. I'll double down and say both of those. That's the key, guys. With that being said, that's what I'm seeing in the charts. Be patient. Be patient. Don't get shook. I promise you guys, we're going to be seeing much higher price points, especially for Atom in the short to near future, especially here. I'll give you guys a hint. I'm not going to get into it, but I'll give you guys a hint why I think that and why I'm super bullish on it. When Atom deploys their security feature, bada bing, bada boom, we're going to be taking off into the cosmos. You see what I did there? You see what I did there? With that being said, that's what I got for today's video. I hope you guys are doing well. Stay blessed. Stay in profits. Realize profits when profits are there. Always remember that, because things can get turned around just like that, and all your profits can be taken from you in a blink of an eye. If you guys haven't already, don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Support a brother out. I'm trying to grow here. Be supportive. If you do, me love you long time. But no, seriously, you could possibly win yourself a 50-inch flat screen TV and or an MSI 2060 GPU. Go ahead, do it again. Right down there. Tell your auntie, tell your uncle, tell your brother, tell your mother, whoever you need. The better. The more subscribers, the better, guys. Touch it. Go ahead, touch it. Peace.